How to start a Spotify jam. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Make sure that you have installed Spotify in your device. Once done, open it and then get logged into your Spotify account. Now, in order to start a jam, you have to tap onto your profile on your top left-hand side. Once done, tap on Settings and Privacy. At this section, you will see Privacy and Social. Tap it. Under Social Features, you will see Jam here. I have already activated. In your case, it might show activate. You have to simply follow the on-screen prompt until you see Learn How button here. Now once it is so, come back here, then tap on Apps and Devices. Make sure that you have toggled on this local device visibility under other devices, and you will see an option of Start Jam. You have to tap on to Start Jam, and after a couple of seconds, it will generate you a QR code. You have to show the QR code to the person which you would like to connect with. And likewise, once done, you guys can go ahead and listen to music at the same time. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.